This is actually my third iPad Pro from 2020. My first one was this 12.9-inch Space Gray that I bought when it released, and it got stolen. Then I bought the same one by 11-inch and a slight downgrade in storage. I was going to upgrade to the 2021 version, but it was just too much money. And I still had a warranty, so I just went to the Apple store, and here I got it. A new iPad Pro replacement. Free of charge replacement. So this is not a sealed box, you don't get chargers. All I gave them was my old iPad Pro, and the only thing I lost was the screen protector, but I got brand new iPad Pro, which is super cool. So here we are. This is the special new replacement iPad Pro from Apple. So this is what you get, like this. So let's unbox it. So it's basically a white box, nothing on it. Ooh, nice. Cheap wrapping. Free. This is what happens if you get Apple for free. Ooh, nice. So it's a new iPad Pro. And then you got 2 camera spots. It's really designed for universal. Dents. I think I see dents or something. Don't tell me they gave me someone else's iPad. And here it is. And that's basically it for the video. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't, and please don't forget to subscribe and share. Bye. See you next. The subscribe button is right down there. Here I got a recommended video for you.